Hey guys, back again. Now they've made this video quite difficult for me to make. They are preventing my phone and my surveillance equipment from talking to my PC, but I've found a way around it. Now this is of a noise campaign. I've told you guys for years that they bang bin lids as part of my harassment, part of my noise campaign. And here is some footage. Now this is me retrieving my bins after bin day, and you will hear my neighbour come out and bang her bin lid quite loudly. Once when I come out of the garage, then once again when I go to retrieve the second bin. Anyway, these bins bang around the clock. I just wanted to show you the circumstance. You may call it a coincidence. I do not. All right, guys. Till next time. Bye.